Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now I have got a box from a company called Crochet Park and they do handmade crochet bags. They do them in kits. These absolutely fantastic for Mother's Day. Mother's Day is coming up quite soon. You've got Easter as well. If you don't want to buy Easter eggs and things for adults and you still want to give a little gift at Easter, then think about this. And these are absolutely amazing. Now I have got 3 kits in here. And look at this. Now how to make the kits is all online as well. And it's called Crochet Park. Now I brought it up on my phone. So they've got some new bags as well for 2025. And look at these beautiful bags and kits that you can get. I've got a blue one of these and a cream one. And I didn't get that one. I got the leaflet for that one. That's the leaflet for this one here, but I didn't get that kit. And that is the other kit there. This is a shell bag. So that is the shell bag. And that is this one that's here. I'll show you that in a moment. And there's all different ones in that. Look at all these. They're absolutely beautiful, beautiful colours. Beautiful. That's back to the beginning. We'll go back that way. And this one, look at all the different ones in this one. There's different colours in this one as well. These are absolutely stunning for the evening. If you like going to parties and things, or just like a really nice bag. Now this one here, I've got this one in the blue. Now I think there's 2 different sizes. Once I made mine didn't quite look that big. I will show you my finished bag. You get these kits, and that is what you get in the kit as well. You get all the yarn that you need. You get that little tie that you can see there to tie on and make it fancy. You get the hooks you need, you get a tape, you get little needles, you get stitch markers, you get the handles, and you get the base. And you got all the instructions how to do it. And you can go online as well. They've got videos online. Now, let me see. Oh, they've got all these different colours. They're absolutely beautiful, these bags. See if there's any other one. These are some of the newer ones. Look at these ones. Absolutely beautiful. It's worthwhile going on their website and having a look. Now, when you go on to that, I think it's on the pack. Now, this is the one that I didn't get. I didn't get this one. But you get all the leaflet. Now, in the leaflet, you've got your step-by-step instructions. It gives you all the tools that you need. It gives you the pattern. But if you can't read a pattern, you can go online because they do have videos online and it shows you how to do the crochet. Now, I'm not going to show you the pattern in too much detail. I'll take these ones out. These are the instructions for the other ones. Now, you get the handles. I've got 2 sets of handles because I've got 2 bags, the same but different colours. You get the handles, I'll pop them up there, and you get your kit. You get the base as well. For each bag, if it has a base, you get the base. Now that's a brown one, that's like the chocolate coloured one. And you get everything in the kit that you need, and you get a base. And this is the shell one. You get all the yarn that you need and all the instructions with it. And that is the instruction pack for that one. And you can go on to Crochet Park's website and there is a link to all the videos showing you how to start these off. If you don't know how to read a pattern, you can follow the videos and it's really easy. So that one goes with that one. Let's open this pack here. We'll have a little look at what you get in your pack. I think these are great for Mother's Day. Now in your kit you get the 2 balls of yarn that you need. I'll just move my stuff out of the way. You get your 2 balls of yarn that's enough for your bag, and you get the hooks and you get a needle, and in this one you've got that little ribbon, you've got stitch markers, and you've got a measuring tape. You've got everything you need to make the bag in each kit. They're absolutely beautiful. The videos online are easy to follow as well. I've had a look at those and they're easy to follow. The company's called Crochet Park, and I will put links underneath the video to their website and a link to the YouTube channel. Now I'll pop that back in there, and those handles go with that, and it came in this really nice box as well. Now that kit is the same as that one, and that handle goes with that. Now this one is the shell bag that I showed you. I'll show you that picture of that shell one again. So in this kit you get all the pieces of yarn you need, and you get your handles. There's 2 handles. These are good, sturdy, thick handles. And the same with these wooden ones. These are like bamboo, but they're really sturdy. It's not bamboo. And these handles are really sturdy as well. The yarn is nice and thick, and it's beautiful and soft. This is like that noodle yarn that you get, or like the material yarn as well. It's made with like a jersey t-shirt yarn. It's like sort of t-shirt yarn. It's beautiful. And you get all the amount of yarn that you need to make your bag. And again, you get everything in the kit. You got all the things. This one's got a needle and thread. We'll figure what out that one's for. And there's a little chain. There's something else in there. There's everything that you need to make your bag. That one's closed quite tight. Oh, there we go. There's everything that you need. There's a little buckle for this one, and that's what the thread and the needle's for. It'll be to stitch that on. And all the instructions are there. They're quite clear instructions, and you've got the backup of the videos as well. You get your hook. This one, it's just got one hook, and they're really good hooks as well. They're really good hooks. They're not like cheap and cheerful hooks. These are really good. I've got a whole set of these hooks. That one is a size 5mm. You get 2 needles in that one and a bunch of stitch markers. And then again, you've got all the yarn that you need in this beautiful soft yarn. It's beautiful. So that is a few of the kits. And I will, like I said, underneath the video, I'll put the links to the Crochet Park website. Pop that one back in because we need that piece as well. And pop that back in to keep them all together. Keep all that together. And that is the instructions for that one there. There's no picture on this one though, but this is the shell one. And I'll show you that one. Put that in there. And keep the instructions together. You get a little card with their website, and then when you bought a bag, you put your email address. When you buy a kit, what you'll do is you put your email address in, and then when you go onto their website and you click on the bag that you've bought, and it'll ask you for your email address, and that'll give you an exclusive entry in to see the videos and everything else that you need to see for your project. I mean, I do understand that they're trying to protect the stitches and the way that they've done these bags as well. They're absolutely amazing, and they're so quick. So I am going to do this blue bag, and it gives you all the instructions, and you can watch the video as well. The video is really easy to follow too. So it does look like there's two sizes, but I've got that smaller size. So I'm going to do the bag and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished. So this is my bag finished. Now it's a little later at night, so it looks a little bit darker, but look at that, it's absolutely beautiful. The bases have already got the metal studs on it and they sit perfectly well. Now look at that, it's absolutely amazing. It's a great little clutch bag, so it is. It's absolutely perfect. I love the stitch. I love the way when you go in the round that this stitch moves in this little diagonal manner like this. Now they're great kits. It's a good sturdy bag. The handles are really sturdy. Have a look under the video and click on the links. That will take you to the website and have a look at some of these beautiful kits. If you've got someone's birthday coming up and they do crochet, or if you knit and you want to try some crochet, then you can. These are absolutely amazing and they are easy to do. They're very easy as well. You've got Mother's Day coming up. Anyone who has a birthday, get them and put them away for Christmas, for next Christmas. You could get them and put them away, and you'll always have something that if you need that last minute gift. And they're absolutely beautiful. Or make them for yourself. Just can't say that enough, that I really do like this. And it's easy on your hands as well. Even though I've got arthritis, it is quite easy to do this. The stitches are very easy as well. So have a look on the website, and I want to thank Crochet Park very much for the kits that they gave me. So with the shell one, there's no base to the shell one. It's just kind of folded over and you're working sort of back and forward on that one that's the shell. So that is the shell one. So they're not all ones with a base. And I love it. I absolutely love it. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon, and YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.